Good morning, everyone. Morning. Once again, good morning. Morning. Okay. Today we learn about adverbs of manner.
Good.
The learning objectives of adverbs of manners is the first is identify adverbs of manner in sentences. The second is understand the function and form of adverbs of manners. The third is use adverbs of manner correctly in both spoken and written English. Okay, now what is an adjective? Nabil, can you read? What is an adjective?
Adjective is a word that describes nouns or pronouns, person, place, or thing, and then they usually appear before the word they modify.
Thank you. An adjective is a word that describes nouns and pronouns person, place, or thing, and they are generally appear before the word they modify. For example, adjective, purpose, adjective, and noun. For example, I'm a patient person. Saya adalah orang yang baik. The second is he's not a good singer. Dia bukan penyanyi yang bagus. The third is he is a fast driver. Dia mengemudi dengan sangat cepat. The fourth is she is careful driver. Dia mengemudi dengan hati-hati. What is an adverb? Can you guess what is an adverb? What is adverbs of manner? Adverbs and adverbs of manner is different. So, what is adverb of manners? Could you please? Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay. Adverb of manners tells how an action is done. It answers the question how. Adverb of manner usually ends in ly. Adverbs of manner ini menceritakan tentang aksi yang sudah terjadi atau yang sedang dilakukan. Bagaimana jawabannya itu adalah seperti menggunakan bagaimana. Yang dimana dengan harus menggunakan ini usually is ly. Adverbs of manners may be formed from adjectives. Most adjectives are changed to adverbs of manner by adding ly to them. For example, like seperti yang saya bilang tadi, di mana adverb ini digunakan yaitu dari kata adjective. Bisa juga pakai dari kata kerja seperti verb. Tetapi kita harus mengubahnya ke adverbs of manner dengan menggunakan tambahan yaitu apa? Apa? ly. Adverbs. An adverb of manner is a word that describes how something happens, and they are generally appear after the verb of the object. For example, something like that. Verb, ini rumusnya. Verb, an adverb of manner. Verb is mana? Di mana? Verb. Wait. Adverb of manner mana? Patiently. And the second is he doesn't sing very well. Verbnya mana? Sing. Adverb of manner? Well. The third is he drives very fast. Verbnya mana? Drive. Adverb of manner? Fast. She drives Y menjadi wisely. The word wisely is a word that describes how an action is done. This adverb and with line because it's formed out of adjective. The second example is adjectives that end in y are changed to adverb by dropping the y and adding il y. For example, during his time, Rizal easily did good things for the Filipinos. So, what is adjectives or adverbs? Where? Easy. Why easy? Because he is verb. Itu adalah kalimat pertama dia itu. Jadi, kenapa di sini harus dipakai easily miss? Kenapa nggak isi aja? Because karena dia sudah menerangkan dari kata keterangan dari si Rizal tersebut. Jadi dia hanya menggunakan penambahan ILY. For example, kalau di terakhirnya itu ada huruf Y atau Y, kita harus menggunakan tambahan yaitu ILY. For example, the third. This one. Easy plus ly. Jadi adverb of manner-nya apa? Apa? Easy. Okay, let's read and study the pancake cuisine. Cara pembuatan dari pancake, resepnya. The first, repeat after me. Pancake cuisine. Ingredients. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons baking powder. 2 tablespoons melted butter. 2 tablespoons sugar. 1 cup milk. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 1 minute to teaspoon salt. 1 large egg. Procedures. 1. In a medium bowl, whisk all together the milk. Butter. And egg properly. Second. Add flour. Sugar. Salt. And baking powder. Combine thoroughly until there is no more lumps. The third. Heat the pan. Brush it with oil or butter completely. The fourth. Slowly pour to until 3 tablespoons of the butter onto the pan. 5. Cook until bubbles appear. Flip carefully with the spatula. The last. Cook it until brown. On both sides. Serve with your favorite topping. So, if you, before I show you where is the adverb of manners. Can you know? Where is adverb of manner? Ada yang tahu adverb of manner yang mana? Okay, properly. Next. Thoroughly. Completely. Slowly. Carefully. Good. So, this one. This is a properly, truthfully, completely, slowly, and carefully. They are calling is adverb of manner. Mereka dipanggil itu apa? Adverb of manner. Yang menjadi pertanyaan, the question is, Miss, kenapa bisa terjadi properly? Kenapa bisa terjadi truthfully, completely, slowly, and carefully? Why? Because mereka diambil dari kata verb. fungsi dari prosedur tersebut dari receipt yang menggunakan kata adverbs of manner. Number 1. In a medium bowl, mix all together the milk, butter, and egg. So, from this word, from thoroughly, slowly, carefully, completely, properly, who knows what the answer? Can you write in whiteboard? Ada? Thank you, Nabil. Okay, the second. I want to these girls to answer. Add flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Combine until it's no more lumps. Who get the answer? Okay. Thank you. The second letter is heat the pan, brush it with oil or butter. Who get the answer? Okay. If you want the answers, yes, please raise your hand and come in front of us. Angkat tanganmu dan datang ke depan. The fourth is pour 2 under 3 tablespoons of the butter onto the pan. Who got the answer? Okay. That is correct. The last is flip, blah blah blah, with spatula. Who gets the answer? Okay. Thank you. Okay, next. Let's check. What's the answer? The answer is correct or not? The first is in a medium bowl, mix all together the milk, butter, and egg. What's the answer? What? Pardon? Pardon? The second, add flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder combined. Blah blah blah. Until there's no more lumps. What's the answer? Pardon? The third is heat the pan. Brush it with oil or butter. What's the answer? What's the answer? The fourth is pour 2 under 3 tablespoons of the butter onto the pan. What's the answer? Slowly. Kenapa slowly? Kenapa slowly? Karena kalau cepat harus pelan, sabar. Jadi harus pelan, harus slowly. The last is flip, blah blah blah. With spatula. What's the answer? Some adverbs of manners are wrong by adding ly to adjective. Di mana adverbs of manner ini menunjukkan akhiran yaitu ly. Apa? Ly kepada si adjective, kepada kata sifat. For example, the turtle is slow. The turtle is slow. Kura-kura itu lambat. Jadi, biar dia menggunakan dari kata keterangan dari si turtle tersebut, makanya harus menggunakan slowly. So, the adverb of manners-nya yaitu the turtle moves slowly. Kura-kura itu berpindah dengan lambat. The second, the boy is quick. So, where is adjective? Mana? Adjective. Quick. Quick itu cepat. The boy is quick. Laki-laki itu cepat. Miss mau tanya, di sini sudah menerangkan adverb of manners nggak? Belum. Kenapa? Karena belum ada ly. So, karena dia harus menerangkan akhiran dari ly, maka ditambah dengan quickly. So, the boy runs quickly. Laki-laki itu berlari dengan cepat. The second is something like this. Formed by adding ly, the adjective is slow menjadi slowly, careful menjadi carefully, beautiful menjadi beautifully. This easy, right? Yeah. Gampang nggak? Gampang. Kenapa nggak gampang? Gampang dong, karena hanya menggunakan ly saja. For example, Miss, bagaimana kalau di akhirannya nggak ada huruf mati? For example, huruf mati apa aja? B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, X, and Y. Okay, so question please. Kalau akhirannya dia huruf E, for example, jika sebuah adjektif berakhir dengan kata E atau EI, kamu dapat menggunakan atau mengubahnya menjadi apa? LY. Menjadi apa? LY. For example, dari kata simple menjadi simply. Dari kata gentle menjadi gently. Dari kata possible menjadi possibly. Dari kata safe menjadi safely. Dari kata black menjadi blackly. Dari kata sweet menjadi sweetly. Dari kata sad menjadi sadly. For example, tutup ya. Sorry. Kalau ditutup. Kalau ditutup. Kalau ini adalah polite menjadi politely. Kalau brave menjadi bravely. Definite menjadi definitely. Ingat, kalau setiap akhirannya itu berbeda. Yang tadinya ada mati di belakang juga menjadi ly. Hidup pun menjadi ly. Tapi ingat, ada satu perbedaan. Gentle juga sama kalau belakangnya LE. For example like this. For example, like this. If an adjective ends with Y, change the Y in before ending L1. For example, Miss, kan udah ada L, kan udah ada Y di akhirnya, udah ada Y di akhirnya, udah ada Y di akhirnya. Kenapa lagi ditambahkan LY ya, Miss? Kenapa coba? Karena dia masih dalam kata bentuk adjektif dan kita harus merubahnya dari I menjadi I. Example, angry. Miss, kenapa enggak angrily? Angrily. Kalau enggak, Miss, kenapa enggak angry angry? Nggak boleh, karena ini nggak ada artinya. Because there are no adjective. Mereka bukanlah kata sifat, mereka bukanlah kata adverb of manners. Jadi kita harus menambahkan angry menjadi angrily, noisy menjadi noisily, happy menjadi happily.
Cukup belum nih?
Ya.
Something like this one. They are different. Berbeda kan dengan yang tadi? Berbeda. Miss, ini apa lagi?
Ali.
Kelly. Miss, apa lagi itu? Kok ditambah yang lagi banyak banget sih? Ya. Baik. Kalau akhiran dari IC itu ditambahkan yaitu adjektif yang berakhiran dari IC. For example, autistic. Jadi out itu dari itu. Dari adjektif menjadi adverb of manners. The second is radically, fantastically. Jadi semua diakhiran dari menjadi Task 2. Miss mau dari bagian yang ini. Are you get it? Are you understand? Yeah. If you understand, I will give you task 2. Choose the word that says how something is done based on the picture. Please write in here, not in there. Here. For example, number 1. The baby sleeps. You can choose the answer is fun, only, gracefully, and peacefully, and peacefully. So, who get the answer? Is it? Peacefully. Thank you. The second, Miss, I want to tell who is answer this one. The little boy saw. You get the answer. Okay.
Mirip si Opa. Bato aja.
Ditutup ya.
Itu ya. Iya.
The third is Riza dances. Riza lagi ngedance atau lagi menari. I want to yes. Come
Gracias, Poli.
gracefully. Thank you. The fourth is hug her daughter. Ibunya memeluk anaknya. Thank you. The last is the man is sweet. Laki-laki itu benar. Okay, please down your hand. One, wait. 1, 2, 3. Down. Belum ada, belum. 1, 2, 3.
Devin dulu.
Now, let's review. Mari kita bahas sama-sama. Discuss. The boy sleep peacefully. That's correct? Correct or not?
Correct.
Correct or not? Correct or not? Alright. The baby sleeps peacefully. The second, the little boy shouted loudly. Correct or not? Correct. The third is pizza dances gracefully. Correct or not? Correct. The fourth is the mother hugged her daughter lovingly. Correct or not? Correct. The man swims with paws like that. Okay, that's it. Di kali ini kita harus mengganti. For example, ini bebas ya. Contohnya itu Rika nih menjadi apa? Rima apa? Rifkali, correct. For example, Paul menjadi kenapa Tony? Kenapa menjadi So now I want just one by one. Just answer one. Mary menjadi apa? Mary atau komentarnya apa? Wise juga apa? Glenn, David, Marius juga apa? Okay, one by one. 5 boys and 5 girls. If you don't, please don't come to your phone. Please give to your friends. Kasih ke temanmu kalau temanmu maju. Okay? 5 boys and 5 girls. Please come to your phone. 5 boys and 5 girls. Please dan datang pada maju. 1, 2, 3, 4. Satu lagi cewek. Ada lagi cewek. Oke, 5. Baris.
Kau mau dulu.
Very Lisa. Okay. The second Lisa. Oh, bisa. Papa mau ini ganti nih. Miss Rino. Miss mau biru. Miss satu orang. Miss masih kasih kamu lagi. Miss Levi. Jangan itu pendek. Dua. Oke, next.
Tutupin ya. Tutupin ya. Tutupin dulu. Teknologi aja.
Kecil banget, jangan small, please big. Alright, thank you. You can just this one. Please big right. Thank you. Next. Yang warna. Oke, now let's check. Mari kita jawab sama-sama. Merrily, wisely, rapidly, curiously. Who will answer this one?
What?
Who answer this one? Curiously. Number 6. Polite menjadi apa? Politely. Nice. Calm. Heavy. Fearful. Fearfully. Are you understand? Yes. Okay. Now, run. Complete the sentences by changing the clause adjectives into adverbs. Mau apa? Mengisi atau melengkapi kalimat yang mengubahkan dari kata adjective menjadi adverb of manners. Okay. There are 5 answers. Please only choose 3 boys and 2 girls. 1, 2. All my good. 1, 2, 3. Ayo 3 boys. Oke, 3 cewek 2 cowok. Ayo maju. Maria, cepat. Look at the answers, number 1. Don't be like that.
Tutupan dulu lah, Di. Tutupan dulu lah. Kesukaan.
Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, next. Who's not get pen? Sampai belum dapat pen? Tapi udah maju?
Itu Bu yang itu.
Udah? Udah maju? Yang belum maju siapa? Raise your hand. Semua udah maju? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Jangan bagi pulpen.
Miss buat mau ya buat pengen belum maju. Terus easy. Just things like this. Number 1.
Oh ya.
Okay. Who wants to get the answer? Yang belum maju. Semua harus maju. All of you mahasiswa yang fakultas. Yang belum maju. Ayo. Lamsi menjadi garis korek? No. Ingat, kalau dia ada Y di atas berarti pakai ELY. ELY. That is change. ELY. Jadi, apa nanti bisa main? Apa lagi yang bisa? Certainly. That is correct? Correct. Next. Assistant. Assistant. That is correct? That is correct? maju.
Udah.
Jangan bohong. Don't be lying. Jangan berbohong. Serius.
Serius.
Friendly. Mana I-nya? Oke. Thank you. Next. Love menjadi Oke, siapa yang belum maju? Raise your hand. Siapa yang belum maju? Udah tadi. 1, 2, 3, masih lagi bareng lagi. Belum maju. Siapa yang belum maju? Oke, please come in front of us. Datang maju depan.
Udah tadi Miss.
Udah. Yang belum maju. Tujuh orang. Oke, Google Answer. Love menjadi lovely atau lovely? Lovely atau lovely? Yes. Beauty. Jadi next heart menjadi heartly. Brilliant menjadi brilliant. manners is how to change adjective verb to what? To adverb of manners. So, are you understand what is adverb of manner? Yes. Are you understand? Yes. That is it right? Gampang kan? Hanya menambahkan ly, ly atau y. So, for the end of our class, any question? And behind this listening. Any question? No. For the end of class, I will say thank you and see you next time.